It's almost Christmas time. And what's the most obvious 3D printing use case?
Cookie cutting.
Right, cookie cutting. So today we're trying up a little challenge and we are gonna see if we can get everyone in the office into a certain Christmas mood, especially our very own Christmas Grinch, Roger. So, good news. We designed 5 3D printing tool themed cookie cutters for you for free download on our homepage, or you can of course find them on Thingiverse. And before we start printing them and preparing the final cookies, of course we have to make the cookie dough. So we're gonna try that one together with Roger afterwards. And the experimental part today, we don't have an oven in the office, so we're gonna do it in our very own super high-tech microwave below. Okay, we've got lovely and well-mooded Roger with us, and now we're gonna try to make the dough. First of all, butter.
Sugar and sauce.
No. 100 grams of sugar or 2 Prisen of salt and the milk. Oh, no. Now we have to do it. Show me. Maybe it has to be, the butter has to be warmer. No problem.
1 hour later. 10 seconds later.
Okay, so what can we prepare in addition? 350 grams of flour.
Nobody does this.
Early the next morning.
Alright, as you have seen, it was basically no problem at all to do the very easy microwave cooking dough. So, let's see to make some real life cookies out of it. We managed to finally get the dough to an okay consistency. So, now we're gonna try out the cookie cutters, and then finally the big question, does it work if we put them into the microwave? Cookie cutter!
Later.
Okay, let's face it. Making the cookie cutters in a 3D printer is basically not a problem. That works perfect. The bigger question is, does it make sense to make cookies in a microwave? Honestly, we had quite some issues. No. Yeah, it's too thin. With that one, so let's do the very honest tasting.
No.
I must say the first one I had, which came fresh from the microwave, was way better. Meanwhile, they've become quite hard. And I wouldn't personally recommend it anymore. But nonetheless, the cookie cutters are great. Let us know which cookie cutters you need for next year. They're really dry meanwhile. Then we can make some new ones, and yeah, feel free to download them on Thingiverse, on our homepage, or the big platforms. And please put them in the oven. Don't try this at home with the microwave. Thanks. Would you say you're finally in a Christmas mood?
Not really. No.